Haier storage electric water heater. U-turn flow technology. Uniformly mixed cold and hot water increases the water output. Accurate temperature displayed. Temperature visible. Comfortable wash. Easy installation. More reliable and efficient. Offers higher heating efficiency, faster heating speed, and a larger water volume. Titanium heating element, lifetime non-corrodible. Precise temperature control. U-turn flow technology effectively prevents stagnant water deposition. There are more options to choose from.